Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the second lecture of General Awareness Revision series. In this series, we are covering current affairs in the form of MCQ and will cover current affairs from September 2020 to February 2021. This series is very useful for upcoming RBI Grade B Phase 1 examination. We have separate lectures for Phase 2 examination, but in this series, we are covering the current affairs for Phase 1 examination. We are not covering all the current affairs, we are covering the important one. All the current affairs are covered in our courses. You can subscribe to the courses. The first question is, which of the following ministry has launched Shram Shakti portal? The answer is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Recently, Tribal Affairs Minister Arjun Munda has launched Shram Shakti portal. It is a national migration support portal. This portal was launched at Panji, Goa. There was a virtual program there, and at that time this portal was launched. This portal will help the government in smooth formulation of state and national level program for migrant worker. So basically this portal will support the migrant workers as well as the government in the formulation of different program for the migrant workers. Shram Shakti portal will address the data gap and empower migrant worker who generally migrate in search of employment and income generation, right? So basically those people who are coming for the jobs in the cities, the data is not there, and this portal will help that bridge the data gap. The government would also able to link the migrant population with existing welfare scheme. So with the help of this portal, migrant workers will be connected to the welfare scheme. The minister also launched the Shram Shakti as a training manual for the workers. So there is a training manual also. Workers will get the knowledge about the jobs and all the processes with the help of that training manual. So this is very important portal. Please remember that it can be asked in your examination. Educare 247 has multiple course for RBI Grade B examination. We have comprehensive course, we have FM and ESI mentorship course, and we have crash course for Phase 1 examination. According to your need, you can subscribe to the courses. In our courses, we have video lectures, we have updated current affairs, we have topic-wise practice question, and we have current affairs from different magazines like Yojana and Kurukshetra that is covered in the form of MCQ. For Phase 1 examination, we have current affairs like awards in news, person in news, sports in news, important days. So these kind of things are there in our courses that will be useful for your upcoming examination. These courses are designed for RBI Grade B syllabus. The next question is, which of the following day has been observed as National Girl Child Day? The answer is 24th February. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi saluted all the daughters of the nation on the National Girl Child Day. This day has been celebrated on January 24th, and it was started by Ministry of Women and Child Development in 2008. The aim of this day is to spread the awareness about Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. This was launched in January 2015 and it was launched in Panipat, Haryana. This is also very important. Question related to this can be asked. The aim of this day is to spread the awareness related to child sex ratio or different issues related to women, spread the positivity and create an environment, positive environment and effective environment for girls child development. So this is very important day. Please remember that it can be asked in your examination. The next question is, which of the following bank has launched Infinite India initiative? The answer is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank has launched an online platform Infinite India to support foreign companies to establish or expand business in India. This is a one-step portal. It will offer different solutions like incorporation of business entity, corporate filings, license and registration, HR services, compliance, taxes, everything. This is the digital initiative of ICICI Bank and it aims to strengthen the position in MNCs segment. Basically, ICICI business is not good with the MNCs, so they want to strengthen their position with MNCs. The initiative is the part of a strategy to further strengthen our technology enabled offering, that is ICICI's statement. So basically ICICI is going more into digital product and they are including the corporate in that product, so that is there. The next question is, what is the total outlay of a Startup India seed fund? The answer is 1000 crore. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched rupees 1000 crore Startup India Seed Fund on 16 January 2021. This was launched at the time of launch of Prarambh, that was a Startup India International Summit 2021. This is very important summit. Startup India Seed Fund would support the startups in the need of initial capital to start and grow their business. So this fund will be used for the early stage startup or to start a business. The fund will be given. The government has been implementing funds of fund scheme to help startups raise equity capital. So that is also there with the help of equity, the startups can raise the capital. So this is very important initiative by Government of India to support the emerging startups. The next question is, who among the following became the first woman fighter pilot to take part in the Republic Day parade? The answer is Bhavna Kant. She is the first woman fighter pilot to take part in the Republic Day parade, and she was the part of Indian Air Force Tableau. She is currently posted at an air base in Rajasthan where she flies the MiG-21 Bisson fighter plane. So this is very important information and it can be asked in your examination because these kind of questions has always been the part of RBI Grade B Phase 1 exam. So please remember that this is very important. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.